Good day. I would be answering the question: if you were the hiring manager for this position, what qualities would you look for an applicant? If I were the hiring manager for this position, I listed mainly five things that I would prioritize for the qualities that should be present in every applicant. First is the strong organizational skill, which managing an inbox efficiently requires excellent organizational abilities to handle a high volume of emails effectively and of course prioritize tasks accordingly. Second would be exceptional communication skills. Clear and concise communication is of course crucial in handling incoming messages and effectively conveying information to team members and our clients. Third is attention to detail. An eye for detail is essential to ensure accurate and thorough response to email, and of course this would lead to minimizing error and maintaining a high level of professionalism. Number four would be time management. And multitasking inbox managing often involves juggling multiple tasks simultaneously. Candidates who can demonstrate effective time management and the ability to handle various responsibilities simultaneously will of course excel in this role. And lastly would be the problem solving and decision making. Inbox manager frequently encounter complex of sensitive situational that requires quick thinking and sound judgment. Candidates who can demonstrate strong problem solving and decision making skill will of course strive in this position. By prioritizing these five qualities, I believe that we can ensure that our inbox managing team consists of individuals who can effectively handle the demand of the role while of course maintaining excellent communication and organization standard for our company. That is all. Thank you.